Patio renovation and construction is exactly as it sounds. We renovate existing patios. This can include changing the pavers to a new modern look, upgrading the size, and/or renovating the existing patio to a different layout. We also build new patios out of pavers. This is a full-service process including design, excavation, build, and cleanup. We also can take it a step further and build raised or multiple level patios with natural gas supply for fire pits, heaters, and barbecues. Upgraded options can include separate cooking areas, eating spaces, and relaxation areas. Patio pergolas are a popular option to protect you from the elements,